Did you know that up to 35 of certified tester acceptance testing CT-AcT candidates fail their exam on the first try? Will you be one of them? Not if you prepare the right way. Let's see if you can answer these real questions from our practice tests. Question 1. Your team is delivering a new loan approval workflow for a bank under a fixed price contract. The contract states that formal acceptance depends on passing a defined set of critical business scenarios and providing evidence of regulatory audit logging. System test results show a 95 pass rate. A limited beta with 30 users reported no major issues, but operations has not yet reviewed audit logs in the production-like environment. The product owner asks you, as the acceptance test lead, to recommend immediate sign-off to meet the release date. A. Recommend sign-off based on the 95 system test pass rate and positive beta feedback since they indicate adequate product quality. B. Delay acceptance until exhaustive exploratory end-to-end testing of all workflows is completed, regardless of the contract's defined acceptance criteria. C. Ensure tests fully cover the contract's critical scenarios and regulatory audit logging. Obtain operations and business stakeholder sign-off on those results, and only then recommend acceptance. D. Replace pending stakeholder reviews with automated API tests that produce log evidence, using these results to justify immediate sign-off. What's your answer? Take a moment to think. The correct answer is C. This question tests understanding that acceptance testing demonstrates fitness for use against agreed acceptance criteria with explicit stakeholder involvement and traceability. The correct choice emphasizes aligning evidence to contractual business scenarios and operational controls, including regulatory audit logging, before recommending sign-off. A common pitfall is relying on aggregate test pass rates or informal beta feedback instead of the defined acceptance criteria and stakeholder approvals. Question 2. You join an agile team implementing an express credit onboarding process. The BPMN shows an interrupting 48-hour timer boundary event on collect documents that routes to auto decline, while the eligibility step calls a DMN table for outcomes pre-approve or manual review. The BRD adds a rule: VIP applicants must never be auto-declined, escalate to a senior underwriter within 24 hours regardless of missing documents. The product owner asks how you will design acceptance tests to validate alignment between the BPMN flow and the business rules, especially around timers and VIP handling. A. Derive acceptance tests exclusively from the DMN decision table, covering each rule outcome, and defer timer and escalation behavior to later system integration tests. B. Design 2 user journeys, a standard approval and a VIP escalation, stubbing the 48-hour wait to speed execution and focusing primarily on manual review routing. C. Create a traceability matrix that combines BPMN paths, including the interrupting timer with DMN outcomes, and the VIP flag design tests that assert VIP overrides the timer and raise a defect if the BPMN lacks an explicit VIP escape from auto-decline. D. Test the 48-hour SLA timer with a separate non-functional check and verify VIP escalation in a standalone functional test to avoid combinatorial scenarios, assuming rule priority is configured correctly. What's your answer? Take a moment to think. The correct answer is C. This question tests modeling-driven acceptance test design that integrates business process BPMN and business rules DMN BRD. The correct approach builds combined coverage across process paths and rule outcomes, explicitly validating precedents VIP override versus timer and surfacing inconsistencies in the models. A common pitfall is testing processes and rules in isolation or assuming engine priorities will align with business intent. Want more questions like these? The full course contains 240 similar scenario-based questions. Why choose our course? Because we provide detailed, scenario-based questions with deep explanations for every single option. Get instant access to 240+ questions and 6 complete practice tests. Start passing today with our 100 success guarantee.